Hello everyone, you're probably don't know me. I'm Chip Beach. I take an update on the market with our trade. Alright, let's get into it. So yesterday, I was entering a new position at this level. The reason for that is that we are breaking this local trend line, and right now the market played into our bias. So we can delete our general move now. So for the clean chart. Alright, so okay, what happened last night? We got this move. We take a bounce from here at this level back to this, and almost got my position almost out na. You can see that that's so close to my stop loss. I'm glad we didn't get stop out, but okay, so what will happen now? So right now we are still at some kind of support. So it can still rally back here, trade above here, and then go to this level now. So that's why I am preparing for the next support position I'm going to take in. Alright, but there's a probability that we can trade back here at this level before going to take a bounce. There's also a probability, and probably this will likely what will going to happen. But on the only level I'm interested to look in for a buying position is at this level. This is at 70k to 71. The reason for this is that this level here is the previous resistance, and once we break this resistance here, we take a massive move towards the upside. So hopefully in the future, when the price here, we should see some kind of bounce back, maybe back even here or even here. But for the meantime, we take to forecast the move level by level. So right now, we can still go out here, trade some here or even here before taking a bounce back here and probably going up again. Alright, so that's it. I think that's it. So yeah, probably. Alright, so that's it. See you on the next update. Bye bye.